Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.4% in the last session. The ATR has gradually diminished into the low volatility zone. Bitcoin has lost 1.5% in the last two sessions. The RSI shifted into the neutral zone. The price of gold has added 0.5% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator is picking up speed and is currently neutral. The price of crude oil has added 4.2% in the last two sessions. Stochastic has moved into overbought territory.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
U.S. consumer prices increased for a fourth straight month in September, with the cost of cars and trucks rising by the most since 1969, but inflation is slowing. The Australian Central Bank does not see a strong case for issuing a retail central bank digital currency, its head of payments policy said. The U.S. dollar held on to gains against most currencies as renewed questions about a coronavirus vaccine prompted a shift to safer assets.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Eurozone's CPI will be released at 700 GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance at 700 GMT, the U.S. retail sales at 1030 GMT, the U.S. industrial production at 1115 GMT, the U.S. manufacturing production at 1115 GMT, and the U.S. Baker Hughes oil rig count at 1500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.